He wants it. He needs it. Must have new memory. He stole it from us. Sneaky Bill Gateses. Wicked. Tricksy. No. No. Not Gates. Yes, love. Microsoft. He will cheat you, confuse you, lie. Bill Gates sends me emails. You don't get any emails. Nobody emails you. Speakers turned off. Speakers turned off. You're a liar and confuse people. No. Windows Vista. Crash. Crash. I hate you. I hate you. Where would you be without Mac? I made us. It was me. Computers are made easy because of me. Not any more. What did you say? Microsoft upgrades us now. We don't need you anymore. What? Crash. Now and never reboot. No! Crash now and never reboot. Crash now and never reboot. We tells her to crash, and crash she does, precious. PC